Welcome back. The much appreciated Soul of Asia section at the festival is also hosting the exhibition in which some of the leading artists and photographers from around the country are participating. Works of leading photographers are exhibited at the main Inox lobby. Dinesh Khanna, whose photographs are being showcased in the exhibition, said that he had printed his photos on canvas to give them a painting-like feel for the festival. Report by our field reporter Rohit Vadkar and video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
I'm really delighted and honored to be part of this very great festival and to be, I think, one of the only contributors as a photographer. It's interesting that we keep calling them paintings, which is one of the reasons why I physically did print my photographs on canvas so that they would look more like paintings than they would look like photographs. There are two, one, the fact that faith, the way I see it, is something which is very integral to Indian life and to Indian individual. So that's something I've investigated photographically for the last couple of decades. And even though I'm personally an agnostic and not really a believer, I do over the years have come to a point where I believe in the faith people have in their own faith. And personally find it very upsetting to see religion becoming an exploiter of that.
All the people involved to get us here. I think it was a I had never imagined something like this, and I don't think it has ever happened to have an art show, a mainstream art show, along with the film festival. I don't think it has ever happened anywhere. And I think it's hats off to Meera Diwan for her concept in her mind, and then Sushma ji to bring it all here and put it together, and of course, the backbone, Mr. Shankar Mohan. My work is, I base it on procreation, I base it on the constant regeneration and recycling of everything which is around us. And I believe there is a definite feminine energy which is working through, which is paving its path through each and everybody's nerves, whether it is living or dead, whether we see it or we do not see it. So I like to interpret that, and my basic expression was line. I moved on from line and I started manifesting in sculptures and installations, and then performance videos, which are not here, of course, but I'm so grateful that my paintings, my sculpture, and one of my installations, Breathing Chimes, is also here for everyone to see.
Whatever Osho has spoken in his anecdotes or stories, I'm trying to put all them on the canvas, like one of his most controversial books, From Sex to Super Consciousness, where he is saying how we can transcend our sexual energy while just witnessing to the, we can take it to the 7th energy center. So one of the painting is here on that subject. Another one is, even the greed of liberation should not be there. When greed is there, desire is there, you can't achieve that thing. One of the painting is on that. Two paintings are on Sufism, how they whirl and what experiences they have during the whirling meditation. And to be very receptive each moment, then only you can receive what other person is saying. One painting is on that. And one is on Om Mani Padme Hum, that is very famous Tibetan mantra. So that sound can be heard in silence, that I have tried to put on that canvas.
Suring, a Konkani movie, will be screened on Saturday in the special category for Goan films. Director of the movie, Swapnil Shetkar, and Director of Photography, Sharmad Raiturkar, speak about the movie to our video journalist, Tulsidas Chari.
फिल्म मेकिंगाच्या वेळार जे आमी विज्युअलायझेशन करतात, हे विज्युअलायझेशन आमी प्रत्यक्ष प्रत्येकाचेर वचून एज पर ते शॉटाचो रिक्वायरमेंट, ते शॉटाचो मूड आणि ओवरऑल त्या सिनाचो, त्या शॉटाचो एंटायर स्टोरीन भितर कितें इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा हाचे प्रमाणे आमी ते विज्युअलायज करतात. नाटकान कशें आसता, नाटकार एकूच स्टेज आसता आनी ती स्टेज कंटिन्युअसली प्रेक्षकाच्या दोळ्या मुखार आसता आनी ताजेरूच हें सगळें नाट्य थंय चलिल्लें आसता. फिल्मान कशें जाता, फिल्मान जो प्रेक्षक आसता, ह्या प्रेक्षकाक आमी प्रत्यक्ष त्या जाग्यार व्हरतात. सो तातूंतल्यान ओवरऑल सगळी जी पळय भावना आसात, एक्सप्रेशन्स आसात आनी एंटायर मूड आसा हो ताज्या प्रेक्षकाच्या काळजा पर्यंत पावोवपाचो तातूंत एक आमचो एक प्रयत्न आसता. सो हाका लागून फिल्म मेकिंगा खातीर म्हणून ज्या तरेची पळय रिक्वायरमेंट आसा ती स्टोरी वाचता आसतनाच त्या स्टोरयेन भितर घुसून ताजो विचार करून ताजें विज्युअलायजेशन आपशींच दोळ्या मुखार येता. मागीर रातचें शूटिंग इज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट हें. रातच्या वेळार नॅचरली सगळ्याकूच काळोख आसता आनी जी गोश्ट तुमकां दिसपाक जाय थंय लायटींग हें करचेंच पडटा. आनी रातचें स्पेशली आमी सुरिंगाच्या वेळार लोकेल्स ज्यो आमच्यो आशिल्ल्यो वास्ट ओपन लोकेल्स आशिल्ल्यो म्हणजे फाटल्यान संपूर्ण मैदान, त्या मैदानान भितर झोपड्यो थंय घाल्ल्यो आसात, फाटल्यान झाडां आसात, वेगळे वेगळे थंय तांचो मांड आसा, अश्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी ज्यो दिसपाक जाय ह्यो सगळ्यो एंटायरली लायट अप करप वॉज अ मोस्ट चॅलेंजींग टास्क तातूंत भितर. म्हाका दिसता आमचो प्रोड्युसर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, एंटायर टीम आनी स्पेशली जे लायटींग हें करपा लायट्स वाले जे आयिल्ले तांच्या सगळ्यांच्या कॉपरेशनान फायनली दॅट चॅलेंजींग अँड टफ जॉब बिकेम व्हेरी सुदींग आनी एन्जॉयबल.
आतां पथनाट्य करपी आसता पळय तातूंतलो एक लिडर आसता आनी आमी एक असो ग्रूप आमचो एका गांवांत पावता आनी त्या गांवांत वतकच कितें जाता आनी थंय कशें आमी ते गांवाक न्याय दितात किंवा थंय कितें प्रकार घडिल्लो आसता ही सुरींग काणी बऱ्याच तशें पयलींची काणी आसा ती आतां रिलेट करून पळोवपाक सुद्दां जाता. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी गूड प्लॅटफॉर्म, इट इज अ व्हेरी गूड प्लॉट आय वूड से. म्हणजे बरी स्टोरी आसा. जाण एकल्यान येवन पळयतकच तुमकां कळटलें. म्हणजे हांवें फक्त सुरवात केला की म्हजो रोल कितें आसा तो.
सुरींग फिल्म एक्चुली बेजिकली सुरींग नाटक तुमी आयकलां आसतलें सगळ्यांनी. खूब फेमस नाटक आसा श्री पुंडलीक नायक हांचें आनी ताजेंच एडॅप्टेशन आसा सुरींग फिल्म हें. आनी बेजिकली स्टोरी भितर चड चेंजीस कांय ना बट कांय ठिकाणी मेजर 2-3 फॅक्टर्स चेंज जाल्या हातूंत फिल्मान जे नाटकान ना ते अशें आयल्यात आनी जे काही नाटकान आसा ते येवना अश्यो गजाली जाल्यात थोड्योश्यो. फिल्माचे स्क्रीन प्ले, डायलॉग्स, लिरिक्स आनी स्टोरी ही सगळी पुंडलीक बाबांचीच आसा. एक्टर्सांनी खूब बरें काम केलां हातूंत. आर्यन खेडेकर, गौरी कामत, रघुनाथ साकोड्डेकर, संजय गांवकर हांचो लीड रोल आसा. तसोच समिक्षा देसाय, सचिन सुर्लकर हांणी हातूंत आपले एक बरी भुमिका केल्ली आसा. अनिल रायकरान हातूंत एक विलनाचो रोल केला. प्लस जॉन डिसिल्वा स्पेशल अपियरन्सान आसा.
Welcome back. 6 movies produced by Goans are being screened in a special section at the 44th IFFI. Prudent caught up with the film buffs and asked them if it was correct to have a separate and special section for Goan-produced movies at the IFFI. This is what they had to say.
म्हाका दिसता कोंकणी फिल्म जे स्क्रीन केला ती पयलींच सांगला की इट्स अ स्पेशल स्क्रिनींग आनी ज्या हातूंतल्यान जे इनिशियल जे जांचे फिल्मां स्क्रीन जाल्या तांचे डिरेक्टर प्रोड्युसरांचे कमेंट्स आसा की दे वॉन्ट टू स्क्रीन देअर फिल्म्स इन इफ्फी म्हणजे खंयच्याच कॅटेगरीन वचनासतना जस्ट फॉर द इंटरनॅशनल ऑडियन्स एंड मिडिया टू सी. आनी काल जे मोर्तूचें स्क्रिनींग जालें ताजे वयल्यान ही गजाल स्पश्ट जाता की हें उद्देश साध्य जाला खंय तरी की इफ्फीक जो इंटरनॅशनल क्रावड आसता, जो क्रिटिकल ऑडियन्स आसता नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल, सो तो जो गोंयची फिल्मां पळयता आनी तो आपले क्रिटिसिजम किंवा एप्रिसिएशन दिता. म्हाका दिसता की ही संदी गोंयान आसा म्हणून कितें तरी फायदो गोंयच्या फिल्माक जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो आनी म्हाका दिसता की हो मुद्दो साध्य जाला खंय तरी.
कोंकणी फिल्म्स दाखयता बरोबर आसा आनी दाखोवपाकूय जाय कारण गोंयसून अशे न्यू टॅलंट्स अशे भायर येतात तांकां चान्स मेळना पूण हे निमतान तांकां चान्स मेळटलो आनी बरी गोश्ट आसा. इंटरनॅशनल हेजे सिलेक्ट जावपाक जाय कोंकणी कारण हेजे पयलीं एक शेटगांवकर तेजे एक सिलेक्ट जाल्ले तशें गोंयचे जर आमचे फिल्म्स वचत जाल्यार बरो स्कोप आसा आनी गोंयचे आर्टिस्टांक तितलो स्कोप मेळटलो, प्रोड्युसराक स्कोप मेळटलो, डायरेक्टराक स्कोप मेळटलो आनी आमचे अशे तरेन हे गोंयचे टॅलंट्स जगभर पसरतले.
Well, it's a good thing that Konkani films are being shown here for the festival. To an extent, even Goan crowd can come in to watch. And then it's an international film festival, so obviously there'll be a lot of famous juries and internationally credited people and personalities coming down. So it's a good thing that they also get to see that even Goans are talented enough. Yeah, and even we can learn a lot of things like that. So as a Goan, I think it's good. It's really good that Goan films are being shown here.
एका सायडीन ते रायटूय आनी दुसऱ्या सायडीन रॉंगूय, कारण एक इतली वर्सां जाले इफी गोंयान चलता, सो गोवन स्पेशल कॅटेगरी करप एक गोंयच्या फिल्म मेकराक खूब बरी गजालशी दिसता म्हाका. म्हणजे तितलें तांकां प्रोत्साहन मेळटलें फुडें मुवीज करपाक. आनी दुसरी बाजू अशी आसा की जर गोवन फिल्म कल्चर तुमकां डेवलप करपाक जाय तर गोंयच्या फिल्म मेकर्सान अशें चिंतपाक जाय की फिल्म मेकर्सान अशें चिंतपाक जाय की तुमी जे कितें मुवी करता ते स्टँडर्ड आसपाक जाय, ताजेर खूब काम करपाक जाय आनी मागीरूच अशें की इफीक तुमी घालपाक सोदता तर लोकांनी ते एप्रिशिएट करपाक जाय. अशें म्हणपाक नाका की बाबा गोंयचे अशें करता फिल्म इतलें बरें जायना, सो तशें म्हणपाक नाका. हय, म्हणजे कितें तरी स्टँडर्ड आसा रे बाबा ह्या मुवीन, कितें तरी पळोवपा भशेन आसा, सो हय तशें. या
Looks like the Entertainment Society of Goa has told the viewers, "Aao jao, theatre tumhara." Delegates who have purchased tickets for a particular show turn 5 minutes late find themselves without a seat. Ticketless delegates are allowed to barge in. People with tickets were not allowed to enter inside a theatre, saying it was already full to the capacity. In fact, more than 40 delegates entered after the whole confusion. With this, we end this bulletin. Have a great day. Goodbye.
What you are telling? They are coming to the garden. You can't. I am telling you. What are you telling? How many seats are vacant there? You report first. How many seats are vacant there?
We have to see the film, no?
How many seats are vacant there in the theatre?
You should have report.
You should report.
He's coming.
You should report how many seats are vacant there in the theatre. We must know the number of seats available there.
100% you told
me. You can. I will call this. You call the director. Call the director first. Call Shankar Mohan. We have to enter the theatre.
We are delegates. We are beggars. We are beggars.
Yes, you call. You must come. Hello. Report the availability. Report the availability of the theatre. We must know the availability of the theatre.
We are delegates. We are beggars.
We must know the number of seats available in the theatre.
Now home corporate 20% will go.
After 2-5, this ticket get cancelled, and that person goes in the same queue where non-ticket holders are there. Do you agree, everybody?
Yes. So I am here by 2 o'clock. And that's when they started. That's when this program started. Everybody started it.
2:05 I started.
1:58 the time was. At that. No.